2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, trip computer, compass, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.